Good morning, students. Hope you all are well and taking good care of your health. I welcome all the students of class 6th in history lecture. Today we will start with the second chapter of history. So students, open your books to chapter 2, which is on page 10. The name of the chapter is The River Valley Civilization, Mesopotamian Civilization. The main topic which we are going to study are meaning of civilization, its features and its extent. We will also study about Mesopotamian society, trade, art, science and its decline. So first of all, we will discuss the meaning of civilization through the first paragraph. When man started producing enough food, he began thinking of new things. He thought about a settled society, better food, better clothes. He also learned how to read and write. He began to use his knowledge to improve his life. Students, when you go through this paragraph, you will come to know that after producing enough food, man started thinking about a settled society, better food, and better clothes. In order to improve his life, he started taking part in leisure activities. Means to say, man started thinking more than just fulfillment. When he started thinking like this, so student, that stage is known as the stage of civilization. So students, in this paragraph, you will underline the main line which start from when up to civilization. Now, characteristics, features of a civilization. Here different points are given. About civilized society. When you go through these points, you will come to know about the feature of a civilization, or you can say the feature of civilized society. So in these points you will come to know, in civilized society there are towns and cities, trades and agriculture will be flourished, many religious beliefs are present, people communicate through languages in its written and spoken form, technology will be advanced, a strong centralized government will be there that implements laws. So students, civilized society will have all these features which I have just told you. Now, the name of earliest civilizations are given. First, the Egyptian civilization on the bank of river Nile. Second, the Mesopotamian civilization about which we are studying on the bank of river Euphrates and Tigris. The Chinese civilization on the banks of river Huanghe. The Indus Valley civilization on the banks of river Indus. Now the question arises, why the earliest civilization flourished on the bank of rivers? So there were many reasons behind it. First of all, the river provided abundant supply of water for agriculture. Then land which was near the river was suitable for agriculture. Rivers were sources of transport and communication, and the river valley had a warm and pleasant climate. So students, you are requested to go through these points. This paragraph is related to the name of Mesopotamia, from where the name of Mesopotamia is derived or taken. The name Mesopotamia is derived from the Greek word mesos, meaning middle. You have to underline this, meaning middle, and potamos, meaning river. That means land between the rivers. So the ancient town and the cities of Mesopotamia, these town and cities were discovered by archaeologists about 150 years ago. So that's all for today. For homework, student, for homework you will learn word meaning which are given on page 10 and 11. You will also read the page 10 and 11 again. Thank you. Have a nice day.